Yes. It's pretty good.
We have the lobby lounge. We have
Thank you. So this is the roasted green tea we go for in the Japanese. It's from the Ippodo tea shop, which opened since 1770. So this tea shop having say more than 300 years. And also the local sweets we call yatsuhashi. It's something like a gingerbread cookie. So please enjoy.
Thank you.
And we upgraded the room from deluxe to the corner suite Kita. Like a new member of Bonvoy, it's complimentary for your stay. So the breakfast starts at 7 and the last entry is at 10 in La Locanda restaurant, so it's a little bit inside. And we have the Japanese and American set menus. If you'd like, we can book a table for
Yes.
No sugar.
Yes. Thank you.
Excuse me. Miso soup. The rice. Today's fish is mackerel. This is seasoned fruits. This is yubas, like tofu skin. Beans. Tsukemono stuff. Dashimaki. And there's a sauce, sesame sauce on top of the vegetables. Simmered beef and vegetables over here.
Okay. Thanks a lot.